Hey sweets, welcome back to the channel today, loves. I got a beautiful pre-braided unit here from Outre Loves, and I got not one but two colors today. I got a number one and a beautiful red velvet. Let's open up these packages and see what we are working with. Yes. I don't know where you guys are, what you're doing tonight, but we about to roll into 2023, loves. Yes. I don't know about y'all, but I'm excited. Well, here is our beautiful unit. Got it out of all of this netting. Here we go. She is very pretty. Yes, and she is super long, okay? So here is our cap construction. We have two combs off to the side. We also have an elastic band, and she is adjustable. And we also have a comb in the back, and we also have the adjustable straps. Here is the top of our unit. Very pretty. Love the little braids that they have in there. The detail, very pretty. The lace is very soft, and this hair is so soft. All right, so let's get to our red velvet color. Here she is. Again, she is very soft, very pretty, very flowy. Loving everything about these units. Same cap construction, but I love how they have the dark root at the top. Then it goes into the red velvet color. Very pretty. Loving that. So we're going to go ahead and just pop her on and just kind of see what we're working with, kind of right out of the pack here. Yes, girl, she is cute. Loving everything about it. Let's make sure that we get her adjusted correctly. But look at that lace. Look at the baby hairs on there. Very, very pretty. I am loving all of this. The ear to ear looks really good. She is giving, y'all. Giving. Yes, as you can see, I was feeling her. I'm like, yes. I'm like, yes, boo-boo. She is cute. She's very soft. That's what I was muttering. You guys are probably going to get tired of me saying that, but the hair is super soft. I don't know what they did, but loving that. And look at that hairline, y'all. Looks really, really good. So I'm going to turn around and show you guys the back. She is very full. The density on here is great. Although it looks like a lot of hair, I don't feel like, you know, if we wear this in the summertime, that's going to be hot because it's full in density, but light in weight, if that absolutely makes sense. But just giving you tea as it comes. So here is our black unit. Same cap construction, everything beautiful. Except for I wasn't really loving me putting on this unit. I had on a brown kind of wig band. Wasn't feeling that. Yeah, everything else about the wig I was feeling, except for the top portion, to where I was like, is it me or does that just not look right? And I needed to change my band. But here is the back on her. Very pretty. Very pretty. So I'm going to take her off, and as you can see, my wig band is brown. You'll see later on why I changed that. But we're going to go ahead and tint her, use my tint spray and tint her all around. All of this information will be linked down below in the description box. Yes. So now I'm going to go through and cut that lace off. And I always start with the ear tabs first. That way I can get right up against that hairline, pull those baby hairs back, and then cut all of that lace off. And you definitely want to take your time when you're doing this, so you're not cutting the actual baby hairs off. Want to make sure that you're pulling those back and you're taking your time and you're cutting that lace. So now I'm just going to pop on the black one, now that I didn't cut the lace off, and see what we are working with. Still very beautiful. But again, it's my wig grip. And you can clearly see it. And that little ear tab down there, definitely gonna have to handle that and make sure that that is seamless. Get some freeze spray and freeze that down. But besides that, honey, you could pretty much wear this wig glueless. And as you can see, my face was like, is that me or what? But again, you'll see that I changed that. Yes, so now that I didn't change my whip grip, we are back to it, loves. So we're going to get in here and we're going to spray that down on both of the ear tabs. We're going to go ahead and get our baby hairs right, baby. Yes, yes, yes. I was getting some flyaways from cutting that lace off. So I'm just going to comb these baby hairs out and we're going to go ahead and glue this down, spray her down, get her right. And I use my Got To Be freeze spray. It'll be linked down in the description box if you want to go use that and use the same thing. Everything is in the description. So I'm just going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to go ahead and make sure that that's melted down really good. And we are going to be off and running. You gotta wait until it gets tacky, gets sticky, and make sure that it is bolted down really, really good. I still have the rest of that little bit of part down there that I gotta melt down, so that's what I'm doing. Now we're going to move on to try to get these baby hairs right. Yes, they are pretty, but they are long. I was gonna cut them, but then I was like, and I was still trying to figure out, I'm like, do I see the demarcation from my wig grip? So we will talk about that a little bit later. So I'm just using my freeze spray to kind of bolt down these baby hairs. Just combing the hair back in there and bringing it back out, trying to get it right here. I still got to spray that little end down. But we gonna get her right, yes. Now that that's all done, I'm going to use some of my gel and I'm going to put it in my hair just to kind of make the frizzes stay, make them curls pop just a little bit. And I'll leave it linked down below. So if you want to use that, again, everything will be linked down and below. But she is looking cute, y'all. All right, let's talk about it, loves. Hi, sweets. Welcome back to the channel today. Yes, we are here for another quick drip. Ow! How you guys feeling? I am feeling blessed. I'm feeling beautiful. My birthday is coming up. Hey, we back at that time again. I'm gonna let y'all guess how old I am. If you knew, tell me down below how old I'm gonna be. For my sweets that's been rocking with me, they know my age, okay? And I'm ready for another blissful one, okay? So I've been trying to figure out my hair, my nails, my fit, because for the past couple years, a sister ain't been able to go nowhere, okay? It didn't snow, then we had the Rona, okay? So it's like this year I got my shit all planned, so I'm trying to get out and kick it, trying to get my hair right. Yes. So this is one of the cute drips that I picked up as a potential, you know. I was like, ooh, this is so cute. This is so pretty. I was like, let me cop her and see what she's looking like. And I absolutely love it. So let's hop right into the video. Today, love, this is another outre, however you want to pronounce them, honey, wig, okay? This is a 13x4 lace frontal. It's pre-braided and it's called the Stitch Braid Ripple Wave 30-inch, okay? She's gorgeous, she's beautiful, yes, and she's so soft. The hair is so soft. That's one of the things that I absolutely love about it. It's really soft, very sexy, very flirty. But let's get into this, y'all. So here is the stock card right here. They do have other colors. I did get this off of divatress.com. And currently, while I'm filming this video, they do have some good colors kind of left. But honey, I always find stuff on Amazon, so I'll link everything in the description box, so make sure that you check there. And today I forgot to mention that I don't have just one color, I have two colors. So I have the number 1 and I also have the DR Red Velvet. So while I'm talking, I will send like clips and stuff over here so that you see what the red velvet looks like, and you can see if you want to cop that color. She is a premium synthetic fiber. She is pre-braided, like I stated before, pre-styled. She's a 13x4 frontal HD lace. It says hand-tied HD lace. She's lightweight. She has a very natural density, and the density on this wig, it's great. As you can see earlier in the video when I turned around, it has some great volume. So if you are a volume girl or a volume guy, this is the wig for you. It says gold hair accents. So they have these already on the wig, and it comes with the wig already. With this already on the wig. And so if you wear braided wigs or something, you know that you can kind of find these on Amazon. I will link some of these below. They have some really gorgeous ones, some pretty silver ones. If I was to wear this for my birthday, I would probably take these out and add the beautiful silver, like curly twirly ones. I don't know what you want to call it, but they are really cute and very sexy. So I'll link those in the description box as well. It says baby hairs included. I really love the baby hairs. Y'all know, if you watch my channel, I don't like dealing with the baby hairs a lot, but on this unit, it is really pretty. It gives it a very kind of sexy, subtle look to it. And then this one comes with the pre-attached elastic band, and that elastic band is adjustable, so that is all plus. So that's about it for the description. I would have to say, you guys know when I love a wig, I say run, don't walk, okay, to go get this. This is very sexy. This is something that I can even wear to work or wear on my Zoom calls, okay, because it's just, it gives that kind of good like boss look, you know, not just I'm going to hang out and set my ass on the beach, but it's like you can kind of dress it up and or dress it down, and it's very, very beautiful, and it's so soft. I know you guys gonna get tired of me saying that, but it's so soft and so pretty. I absolutely love it. And y'all know what I do when I love me a wig. Yes, I'm gonna go hop my ass back on there and buy me just a couple more just in case, you know, that I can have my repertoire, okay, before I post this video. Y'all know how I do it. Yes, loves. So you guys know what we do on this channel. She's either a slay or nay. Comment below. She is a slay, slay, slay all day for me. This is a great beginner friendly wig, if I can talk, because there's not much for you to do here. I didn't need to kind of lace spray her down. You can wear this wig glueless because it's so tight on my damn head, okay? But a sister ain't tripping, okay? Because I love wearing my wigs glueless, but I just glued it down so you guys can kind of see what you can do and what you can't do. Now, one of the things that I wish I wouldn't have done is maybe went so heavy on my tint spray up there, up top. I would maybe, if you guys get a new one, and I know when I get my other ones that I order offline, I won't spray my tint spray. I would just wear me either a black stocking cap or the black wig band, because early on I had my brown wig band on, and you can see like all of that up there, and I was like, okay, that ain't hot, that ain't cute. So I went and put on my black one, and it's a lot better, but I could still see like the demarcation and stuff. So I don't like that part. I even went in and tried to put a little bit of powder, but I think I went a little bit too much on the tint spray. So that would be the only thing that I would say to watch out for, loves. But other than that, this is a beautiful, beautiful wig. I really love her. Very sexy. Yes. If I don't talk to you guys or come with another video before my birthday or before Christmas, I'm gonna get cute. I'm gonna do a photo shoot. I'm gonna do it big for my again, comment below and tell me, how old am I going to be? Until then, my sweets, have a very Merry Christmas. Like I said, if I don't talk to you, have a Merry Christmas, have a Happy New Year, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.